Hi, this is Micaela from Airstream DFW. I'm in the showroom today. I'm sure you guys have seen by now, if you follow Airstream, the new special edition that just dropped. We're so excited here in Fort Worth, Texas. It just feels so like us. If you haven't, I want to introduce you to it here on our channel. It is a collaboration with Airstream, the 4 Sixes Ranch, and Stetson. I mean, could this be any more us, you guys? I cannot wait to have one here in person. We are talking genuine leather seating, oak tables, all these great just Texas Western accents. It even has a hat holder. I am so excited to see it here in person. If you want some details, this thing is gonna be similar to what the Pottery Barn was, if y'all remember that special edition. We're in a 27-foot layout, so a nice dinette up at the front. We're actually getting back that workstation that kind of takes up that last seating space. So you've got some more counter space in there. Hammered coppered sinks in both the bathroom and the kitchen. It's nice and oversized. I think you guys are gonna really, really love all these details, and we're so excited to see it here in Fort Worth. If you want to reserve one of these, if you've seen it online, if you saw the video that Airstream put out, we are taking reservations here in the store. So if you want to be on the list to be one of the first to have one of these Stetson 4 Sixes Ranch collaborations with Airstream, we are ready. So give us a call here in the showroom. It's 817-882-6610. As for me or any of the salespeople, we can get you started on the process of ordering your very own. Can't wait till we have one in the showroom to see you. If you just want to schedule an appointment to see when the first one comes in, call us for that too, you guys. And as soon as I get it, I'm going to do a walkthrough for you guys to see. Thanks so much. See you later. Bye.